Hey testers! In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, effective communication is the key to success for any organization. That's where communication software comes in. It's like the backbone of smooth information exchange and collaboration. With such software, teams can connect and collaborate seamlessly, no matter where they are or the time. It's all about fostering unity and achieving common goals together. In this video, we will discuss how you can perform one-click bug logging from Lambda test to your Zoho Cliq instance with the latest Lambda test and Zoho Cliq integration. So, what is Zoho Cliq? Zoho Cliq is a communication and collaboration platform developed by Zoho Corporation. It is designed to streamline team communication, enhance productivity, and foster collaboration within organizations. Zoho Cliq offers a wide range of features including instant messaging, audio and video calls, file sharing, task management, and integrations with other popular business applications. With the integration of Lambda test and Zoho Cliq, you can effortlessly enhance your testing workflows. With a simple click, you can optimize the process, allowing you and your team members to identify, track, and manage bugs efficiently. Perform live interactive testing on the Lambda test platform and seamlessly share the results within your Zoho Cliq channel. So how does the Lambda test and Zoho Cliq integration add efficiency to your workflows? Integrating Lambda test with Zoho Cliq simplifies the management of your testing endeavors. When an issue arises during cross-browser testing in Lambda test, you can effortlessly share the test specifics such as screenshots and test environment information with the team members through Zoho Cliq. This seamless integration fosters collaborative debugging and effective problem solving, allowing team members to discuss and analyze the issue within Zoho Cliq's interface. Now let's begin setting up the Lambda test and Zoho Cliq integration. To get started, you would require a Lambda test profile. You can create your profile by heading over to the Lambda test website. The link is given in the description below. In the Lambda test dashboard, head to the integrations and look for the Zoho Cliq icon. Upon clicking the Zoho Cliq icon, you will be presented with a window. Click on install and you will be redirected to the Zoho Cliq sign up page. Log into your Zoho Cliq account and click Accept to allow Lambda test to access your data in your Zoho account. After accepting, you will be redirecting back to the Lambda test dashboard with a prompt to select your Zoho Cliq channel from the drop-down. In this case, we will select the Announcements channel from the drop-down and click Confirm channel. And there you go. You have now successfully integrated your Lambda test account with Zoho Cliq. There's a lot more to unwrap with this integration. Check out our detailed support doc to set up this integration and take your testing workflow to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to Lambda Test for more such videos.